Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're starting over on the daily time frame. Today is the 30th of October. It is a Thursday. I'm starting over on the daily time frame in case I didn't say that. I'm starting over the daily time frame, and we can see here that price after the news came to this level here that had some few rejections, not fully properly formed candles, but we did have a rejection around this level here. Now I'm not too sure if price wants to continue heading over downwards, because this level here, if you've seen it, usually it's been having like all these reactions towards the upside. So I don't know if this week is going to be the week that it finally breaks below, maybe a retracement to confirm those sells again, and then we see if we can head on downwards. But this here has been something that has been occurring. So personally, I am still on the watch out. I want to see how price is going to react on this level here. So just stand buying for that. Now going over on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, we can see price has been moving. Now it's been moving downwards. We've had this wick here from the news, and usually when price has this long wick, when candles have this long wick, price tends to come and fill in this wick. So I'm anticipating what's going to happen over here. All right. Yesterday I was waiting for a pullback. I was hoping that maybe price would make like a deeper pullback, maybe back to these levels here, but it didn't do that. And when we go down to the 1-hour time frame, we'll see it a bit more clearly. Now on the 1-hour time frame, I have this trend line that's been holding. Here we had this zone that I've also like highlighted as a zone. We were trying to push upwards above this resistance level, but you can see here, I think the bears took over and we closed over with this bearish engulfing candle, which looks quite nice. So this here was confirmation for me to now think that it is okay to maybe take some sells. However, these sells, I'm not too sure if there's going to be like a big profit target, or in case price rejects, or if not, then maybe this could be a potential zone, the 1.3 flat. So I don't know, quite interesting. Personally, I am in a sell trade. But I had like a small a small TP of around 1 to 5, because I usually have a stop loss of 30 pips, and then when I target, it's 45 pips. So I don't know, we'll see whether TP hits and whether it wants to continue downwards. It's tempting to think that maybe price might move below, but I will just have to react to what the market is doing. When I take a look at the dollar index, guys, the dollar index, this is the daily time frame. We can see that we've had this nice trend line bounces. Now I am honestly not too sure, because today actually my confluence is the dollar index. The fact that we've had like a bullish engulfing candle here on the trend line, nice trend line bounce. I don't know if it wants to come here and make like a double top, and then maybe we see if we can head on downwards to maybe fill up this wick, or even head down to even potentially down here, because on the monthly time frame we still have a very long wick. So I just want to go to the monthly time frame. I think today I'm going to spend a bit more time on the dollar index. We see, so the monthly time frame, I think I need to delete one zone, but I hope you can see something is usually, I don't know if my computer is hanging or what, but this monthly time frame, guys, if price doesn't come down to like do something with this wick, that's going to be very interesting to me, because I've never seen wicks like this one here. That's an indecision candle. It's like a doji candle of some sort, being left like that, being left hanging. I've never really seen that. So it would be quite nice for me, in my opinion. So maybe if price even wants to come back here, that's fine, but at least like come down again, so we can do something with this wick, because I'm still hesitant. And then we see whether we can now push upwards, because I have been bullish on the dollar. So quite interesting play, I think, for today. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame now. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we're pushing upwards. Sorry guys, don't know, I think my chart is hanging. But we can see today we are pushing upwards. I'm quite curious to see how price is going to react around this level here. If it's at all going to push up, then I think potential areas might be up here. My computer is definitely hanging. Anyway, but I think you've understood my bias. That is basically what I'm looking at today, if price will continue downwards, or if it will react around here. Personally, I would like to see it move upwards, but if it does like a break and retest, then that will be good for me because I will extend my TP in the hope of passing my prop firm challenge. I'm starting again on the prop firm, guys. So yeah, news today. On Thursday we have some euro news at 4:15 and 4:45. I'm not really sure if the euro, I don't know how it's going to affect the euro chart, but there's nothing on the dollar and the pound today, and same as Friday we have no news. So let's see if we can keep up with that volume and continue with the pushing upwards and the selling on the dollar. I hope that makes sense. I'll see you on Saturday. I don't know if tomorrow I'll be making a video unless there's like a major update, but I think I'll be dropping a video on Saturday. Bye bye.